Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you my live trading. I have already created this short position in Bank Nifty. The reason is today I was expecting market to trade a little bit on negative side, that is flat negative. And why I take this short position, or why I conclude the market that today will be trading on negative side. Since you all know that the market in the last few days had already pumped so much point, so the market cannot just go up like that every day. Market has to go up and fall down, and lot of people who miss this right, what will they do? Yesterday and the day before yesterday, they create their long position from this area because they were expecting market will go up, and lots of retail they have created their long position, and their stop loss they will keep around this area, and the market will hit their stop loss and the market will fall. So that's why I create this short position just now, and now I'm running in a small profit, and I'm still waiting for the market until it hits my target. See guys, lots of retail they are going long from this area today because the market had taken support in the last few days in this area only. So today morning also market touched this area and go up, again touch this area, go up, and so on. So lot of retail they will go long from this area, but what we have to do is we have to play against retail, because in stock market one side has to lose and the other side will win. So that's why now I'm going to play against retail trader. Retail they will going long from this area, and I shorted the market from this area. So let's see who will win, experience or retail or new babies. See here, the market is almost hit the stop loss of retail. Once it's hit, and then it will fall, and I will book my profit. This is what we call right patient, guys. We have to wait until the market hit the target. Don't be panic, nor don't be in a hurry to exit in a small profit. Try to maximize the profit as much as you can, but you should know when to exit or when to enter. It doesn't mean that you have to catch each and every move in the market. Try to take trade only one or twice in a day. That's it. Because if you try to catch each and every move in stock market, then you will end up in a huge losses and over trading. And at last, only your brokers will get rich, not you. Your brokers will make money, not you, because your brokers they will charge from you each and every time if you buy or sell. Guys, now I'm ready to exit my position because the market is about to hit the stop loss of retail trader. Once it hit, and then I will exit immediately, because I don't want to hold for so long. The reason is market was making new all-time high. So remember this guys, that if the market making new all-time high, don't ever think of shorting the market. Done. I'm done. And guys, see you later on after the market. Bye. Guys, since now the market already closed and the market hit the stop loss of retail, it fall, and in this area I book my profit. The reason I book quickly and exit from that position, because the market was making new all-time high and it is not a good idea to short the market. So you should know when to exit, and that's the reason I don't hold that trade for so long. And today I take only one trade. As you can see, my order book, and see, I was making more than 4,500 with just a single trade. So that's it for today, and good night.